Whales stranded after New Zealand tsunami. In November 2016, a powerful earthquake struck New Zealand's South Island, triggering a tsunami that affected coastal areas. Following the tsunami, several reports emerged of whales becoming stranded on beaches along the affected coastline. Whales, being highly sensitive to underwater disturbances, may have been disoriented by the seismic activity and subsequent tsunami waves, leading them to swim closer to shore, where they became stranded. Efforts were made to rescue the stranded whales, but, unfortunately, some could not be saved. After the devastating Tohoku earthquake and tsunami that struck Japan on March 11, 2011, reports surfaced of giant squids washing up on the shores of several coastal areas. These massive cephalopods, known for their elusive nature in the deep sea, were found in a distressed state along the coastline. The disruption caused by the tsunami likely disoriented these creatures, leading them closer to shore than usual. Following the Indian Ocean tsunami on December 26, 2004, which was triggered by a massive undersea earthquake, unusual sightings of venomous sea snakes on land were reported in some affected areas. Sea snakes typically inhabit coral reefs and shallow coastal waters, but the force of the tsunami may have pushed them onto beaches and even inland. The disruption to their habitat likely caused this unusual behavior. In the aftermath of Hurricane Harvey, which made landfall in Texas in August 2017, residents and officials observed the appearance of unfamiliar fish species washed ashore in flooded areas. Hurricane Harvey was a Category 4 storm that caused extensive flooding along the Texas coast and inland regions. The storm's powerful winds and storm surges likely swept these fish from their natural habitats into unexpected locations. Cyclone Yasi, a powerful tropical cyclone, struck northeastern Australia in February 2011, causing widespread destruction and flooding. In the wake of the cyclone, reports emerged of saltwater crocodiles being spotted in flooded streets and residential areas, far from their typical habitat in coastal waters and mangrove swamps. The flooding caused by Cyclone Yasi likely displaced these apex predators, bringing them into closer proximity to human settlements. Following the devastation caused by Hurricane Katrina, which made landfall in the Gulf Coast region of the United States in August 2005, reports circulated of massive colonies of spiders appearing in flooded areas. Hurricane Katrina was one of the deadliest and costliest hurricanes in U.S. history, causing catastrophic flooding in New Orleans and other parts of Louisiana. The floodwaters likely forced spiders, seeking refuge from rising waters, to congregate in large numbers on trees, buildings, and other elevated structures. The massive earthquake and subsequent tsunami that struck the Indian Ocean on December 26, 2004, caused widespread devastation across several countries. In the aftermath of the tsunami, there were reports of increased shark activity in coastal waters, leading to encounters with humans and attacks on survivors. The disruption caused by the tsunami may have affected shark behavior, prompting them to venture closer to shore in search of prey or due to changes in their natural habitat caused by the upheaval. In February 2010, a powerful earthquake struck off the coast of Chile, triggering a tsunami that affected coastal communities. Following the tsunami, fishermen in the region reported unusual sightings of giant squids in offshore waters. These deep-sea creatures, known for their elusive nature, were spotted closer to the surface than usual, possibly due to disturbances in their habitat caused by the seismic activity and subsequent tsunami waves. The appearance of these giant squids intrigued scientists and underscored the impact of natural disasters on marine ecosystems. These incidents underscore the profound impact that natural disasters can have on wildlife, often resulting in unexpected and sometimes eerie encounters with creatures displaced by the upheaval.